Well, boys, we got a new addition, a new crew that has joined our desert crew. He got rid of the toy hauler and he got a Revolution is this a Fleetwood? I think it's a Fleetwood American Coach. Man, I like that Revolution, how it lights up like that. Man, that baby's nice, man. Are you sure this big monster? Huh?
Anything from the exhaust all the way in the back.
Yeah, no, you're gonna. Oh, why are you dumping air over here? Why are you dumping air? Did you just lean on something? Whoa, whoa, you dropped. No, don't raise that. No, I think it was like auto leveling or something. Wait, why are you going back up now? What? You're what? Bro, I don't know. This is gonna turn around. I don't know, guys, if this is gonna turn around on my driver. You guys know if you've been watching the channel. Okay, hold on. Wait. Before we try, let's think about this for a second. Don't just try. Let me stop and let me do the thinking here. Does that tag lift?
No.
No. Okay. Is there an air dump? Does it do? Okay, let's come over here on flight ground real quick. So, guys, I don't know if you guys have followed the channel. Stay to the right. Stay to the right. Yeah, so we can go up wide. My driveway is not that big and I make a U-turn with mine with no problem. This thing is a monster. So I don't stop, Mikey, stop. Yo, hold on. So this thing is a monster. I don't know if it's gonna turn. I've never turned a 45-foot bus around in my driveway here. Oh, by the way, check this out. So I don't know if you guys know this. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But if you don't, so these things, as soon as you put it in park, these new motorhomes, automatically right away they engage high idle, which I think that's pretty cool that they do that, so you don't have to sit and push it. As soon as it goes in park, boom, high idle goes on. Now, I don't know how they put this big 45-foot beast, how it's gonna pull a trailer being 450. I'm not sure, but I'll give you guys a tour, put the slides out, I'll show you everything. I have personally not seen the inside, but it was garage kept. It's a 2023, I believe. I could be wrong, but I think it's a 2023. And this thing is beautiful, guys. It is fresh. Diesel, get over here. Hey, come on. Okay, guys, this is the inside. I'll give you a full tour, like I said, but this is the inside. I like this little like Holly display they got over here. Now, this tag, I guess, turns. It does not lift. So I guess let's see if a 45-foot bus can well turn around.
Technically a 42, but every bit of 45 with the top.
Yeah, I know this technically BS. This thing is a monster. So I'm gonna give the camera to Mikey and let him show you guys what we're working with here. There you go, sir. All right, and
Oof.
well,
Look at that.
wait, don't give him the tour yet.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta open the slides
Sneak
first.
peekage, man.
Oh, okay, all right.
All right, no sneak peekage, guys. Hold on. All right, what's up, Diesel? Come over here, buddy. Woo! I don't know, man. Diesel, you hold on, buddy.
Automatic high idle. Diesel.
Yeah, auto idles by itself right when you park. Oh yeah, look at that turnable axle. That's beautiful. Yeah, I would say that's a turnable axle. This thing is turning. Oh, I got it. there's that. Show you guys in a little bit. These are what you think, boy. Ooh.
Man.
That was a headache, bro.
Man.
Nice maneuvering, buddy.
That's
what you call a driver.
There's.
And again, it's also cheating because it's your backyard.
Woo!
Hey, you want to dump these slides? What do you want to do? I don't like the docking lights on this thing, man.
Yeah, I know. Damn, it's rain. So I'm gonna. This thing was a mission, guys, to get in here to turn. I don't know how big you guys thought, but I kind of know how it needs to be done and how to do it. Only because when, like, same thing with my RV, when I turn, obviously it's not this big, but when I turn, I gotta like start the turn here, because if you go all the way there and you start turning, well, you hit the garage. So if I go here and I start the turn, it's a lot easier and you don't have to start cranking on the tire. So it's pouring rain right now, but I will give you guys a full tour here as soon as we dump and get the slides out. Okay, we've took all the slides out, leveled. Now I'm going to show you guys the entrance. Bam! So you walk up these nice steps. This thing got lights everywhere, and like how you can lock all of the compartments by the key. That's really, I really personally like that feature, how you can just one button, boom, all the compartments lock. First look, you got yourself a beautiful American coach with a little LED strip here. Got some nice American coach seats. Here's the cockpit of her. She's all digital right here. We got auto level or air level. Here, well, bam, is the interior of this bad girl right here. He's still trying to figure out how to open the TV. Oh, there you go, he got it. There we go. Now, I gotta say, guys, a lot of these RVs, if you notice, a lot of the new ones that I've seen, the slide, this one is pretty amazing. So it goes out and then the whole thing goes and drops. It's sort of like the Newmars. The Newmar, I've seen the Dutch Star, and I believe the King Air, I've seen those. They do that, they come out and then they drop. And then here is one thing I noticed. Yeah, there's no TV in the front of these things anymore. I guess probably because people been watching TV while they're driving. So what they did was they stuck you a TV here, which is nice. I personally like where it's like this better. There's a pro and a con to this. So obviously when people's there, you're like, oh, your head's moving. But I guess people that usually buy these RVs, they don't really, you know, invite a bunch of people. They sit in it, they chill, they relax.
Got one optionage.
What? What are you pushing? I hear something.
Oh, there we are.
Wow, for cutting, cooking section.
You know what cooking in this bitch? Nothing.
So, we got the TV here. You got your kitchen here. I do like this white granite marble, whatever this is. This looks good. Now there's seating. Another beautiful dinner table area right here. What is this? What do we got hanging? We got to fix this. What is that?
I think it's the cable.
Oh, that's the cable. Okay. You got your microwave.
Dishwasher.
Is that a dishwasher?
Dishwasher.
Why the hell they put dishwasher?
I don't know, but I hope he disconnects it, because imagine you're at the desert and you lose all your water.
Oh my gosh, I know. This thing in the desert. Yeah, if you use a dishwasher in the desert.
So we'll be fine. I don't know what's in here, so let's check it out. Nothing crazy.
Nothing there. Looks like we got a little another. Hello, how you doing? We got a little house fridge here. No propane, because this has no propane, right?
No propane, all electric.
No propane. Can we appreciate the look of the ceiling right here? Look at this. These are just beautiful. Beautiful. Man, look at that. Yeah, look at the backsplash. I mean, this is nice too. Wow, that's nice. Little bathroom. So I think this is a bathroom and a half, right, or something?
Bath and a half. Oh,
bath and a half. Look at this.
Show you the best part of this coach.
Show me the best part. We're gonna close this right here.
I need you to pay attention to the windows, please. Windows.
Pay attention to the window. Okay.
Windows,
What are you?
blinds.
You just pushing a button over
We're
here?
just gonna hit, blinds down.
Okay, blinds down.
Is that just okay? Maybe we gotta do.
Oh, he's got this thing has got so much technology. He doesn't know how to use it yet.
Master shade. Okay, we got
Master,
that.
okay.
Oh, look at that master.
Damn,
We did
master.
the wrong one.
Oh, the wrong
We got
one.
Blinds first.
Oh, we got
The blackout edition. Look at that.
Oh. Look at
All
this
of them,
guy.
all at once.
Look at this guy.
I
Tell
guess
me,
you don't want to drive with these
tell me
down.
you got money without telling me you got money. Man, look at
Okay,
this.
I don't have money.
Look at this.
I'm just about
This
to
thing, oh, there you go, straight out.
there you go.
Wow, look at that. Dang.
That's go more down.
That's fancy.
Yeah. Is
See,
that too far down?
I think that's too far out. Yeah.
Well, why
There you go.
I guess we gotta do something anyway.
Okay. Okay, so.
But it does give you, man, look, you click on the screen, it'll tell you click this one.
Oh, there you go.
That
So you can do
one,
individual. Oh, that's
you know,
cool.
Or you can do all of them.
That's nice. Know that you can, yeah, maybe leave like the front open or
like,
something if
like
you're at a
this one
beach.
earlier
Or...
didn't close earlier. But yeah.
Nice, nice. Okay.
But, we're gonna open them up or close them.
All
What
right.
do you want to do?
No, just leave them all closed. Yeah, close them all up. So now while he's playing with that, get out the way here. We got the master suite back here with this thing. Looks like it probably, does this come down and go flat with the remote, this bed?
Yeah, this bad boy. Right
So that's cool. So you can watch TV. It comes
I'm
down.
gonna turn on this TV, so let's turn it on.
Okay, while he's gonna turn that on, I'm gonna show you guys the master.
Well, I was gonna show you that.
Well, show me the bed first, but here's the master shower toilet section. This is a nice shower, good sized shower right here. I like it. Look at that. You guys can see that right there. Got a little light on for you. Bam! Look at that. It's got some good headroom. They give you a little dome option there. We got what? All right, I'm not gonna break that. I don't want to open that. Oh wait! I actually want to see in here. There's some electronics.
Yeah,
All right.
It used to be the washer dryer, and you ripped it out.
Oh, okay.
So no washer and dryer.
So you can use it as like a closet or something.
No, these are closet doors.
Wow, these are nice.
This is closet.
Where's your closet? Closet. Nice, nice. That's all the closet they give you in this
Oh, there's
big ass
one
mug.
right
There's
here.
got. Oh yeah, there's got to be another one.
And then there is no, yeah, that's it. That's a drawer right here. No, that's not
Okay.
a drawer actually. No, these are the drawers right here. I think that's it.
Well, there you go, guys. That's for your closet, bath. Look at that, just
And then
boom.
the bed.
Wow, look at that. All that just
All
but.
nice, yeah.
Oh, look at this bed you can hit. Oh, what? All right, fan. I'm gonna keep that closed. Water pump, panel lights. Oh, that's that. Heater.
That's what
How am I gonna push
wow.
that? This is her. This is going to be the newest addition to our group. I don't know what trailer he's getting. I don't even know what he's been towing with this. Oh, you know what he's getting? We're doing a stack. We'll let you guys know. We'll keep that a secret. Let you know in the desert vlog. But as of right now, he got this, and well, we'll see what trailer he's getting. And just like that, we're back. It's a nice little cloudy, sunny day. So this is what she looks like in the clouds and sun. Look at that. She's a big girl. She's a big girl. I mean, look at even the hydraulic jacks right here, guys. Look at these things. I mean, that is a hydraulic jack. Look at the size. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but look at the size of that thing. Now, also, this thing has a 10,000 Onan Cummins generator. It comes this whole thing, which this is nice because on the Fleetwood Revolution, like the older ones, they don't open. There's just a little latch literally right here that opens up, and that's it. But there's no way of opening it where this entire thing, you come right on over here, and then there's usually, yep, right here. So gen slide, and bam, just like that. I'll show you on this side where it says 10K on her. It's pretty clean, and what's nice is you can tell the guy used the generator. It's got 1144 hours, so that's good. You know this thing wasn't sitting. You know he used it. When they sit, oh man, they give you problems. Mine, for an example, you know, sat when I bought it, and sure enough, the first time I used it, the fuel pump failed on me. So it's because the guy never used it. You've got to use these generators, guys. It's the biggest. I don't know why people don't use them. It's the biggest. That's when they start having issues, and when you don't use these things, the problems start occurring.
Yeah.